Electric vehicles are becoming more common every year, and with them comes a surprising question that many people never expected to ask. Do electric cars really need special tires? At first glance, an EV tire looks almost identical to any other tire on the road. They're round, black, made of rubber, and they fit onto the same kinds of wheels. So why do manufacturers spend so much time designing tires specifically for electric vehicles? Some people believe it's just clever marketing. Others assume regular tires work perfectly fine. But the truth lies somewhere in between. In this video, we'll compare EV tires versus regular tires, explore why they're designed differently, and answer the big question: are EV tires really worth it, or are they just another expensive upgrade? Let's find out right here on History of Simple Things. Whether you drive a compact sedan, a pickup truck, or the newest electric SUV, every vehicle depends on 4 small contact patches where the tires meet the road. Each patch is roughly the size of your hand, yet together they support thousands of pounds while providing acceleration, braking, steering, and stability. Tires are far more than simple rings of rubber. They are carefully engineered systems made from dozens of materials, including natural and synthetic rubber, steel belts, nylon cords, and specialized compounds designed for different conditions. For decades, tire manufacturers focused on making tires that balanced grip, durability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and cost for vehicles powered by gasoline or diesel engines. Since most cars shared similar characteristics, tire designs evolved around those needs. Then electric vehicles entered the mainstream, changing many of the assumptions tire engineers had relied on for generations. At first glance, an electric vehicle doesn't seem dramatically different from a traditional car. It has 4 wheels, doors, seats, and a steering wheel. But underneath, everything changes. Instead of carrying a heavy engine up front, an EV carries a massive battery pack beneath the floor. That battery alone can weigh hundreds or even thousands of pounds. As a result, many electric vehicles are significantly heavier than gasoline cars of similar size. Electric motors also produce their maximum torque instantly. Unlike gasoline engines, which gradually build power as RPM increases, an electric motor delivers nearly full pulling force the moment you press the accelerator. That's why many EVs feel incredibly quick off the line. These two characteristics, extra weight and instant torque, are the biggest reasons EV tires exist. One of the biggest challenges for EV tires is supporting more weight. A heavier vehicle puts greater pressure on the tire's internal structure every time it accelerates, brakes, or turns. To compensate, EV tires often feature reinforced sidewalls and stronger internal construction. These improvements help the tire maintain its shape under heavier loads while reducing excessive flexing that could lead to uneven wear or overheating. The stronger construction also improves handling by keeping the tire more stable during cornering. Although regular tires can often support an EV, they may wear faster because they weren't necessarily designed for the vehicle's additional weight. Think of it like wearing hiking boots while carrying a heavy backpack. Ordinary sneakers might work for a short walk, but specialized footwear handles the load much better over time. Perhaps the biggest difference isn't weight, it's acceleration. Electric motors don't need to build power gradually. The instant you press the pedal, maximum torque is available almost immediately. That sudden force transfers directly to the tires. Every hard launch places tremendous stress on the tread. Over thousands of miles, that repeated force can wear tires much faster than the smoother acceleration of many gasoline vehicles. EV tires often use specially developed rubber compounds that resist this rapid wear while still providing strong grip. Engineers carefully balance traction with durability because improving one often reduces the other. It's a delicate compromise that requires years of testing and refinement. Gasoline cars consume fuel. Electric cars consume battery energy. Every bit of energy lost while driving reduces the vehicle's range, and one major source of energy loss comes from the tires themselves. As tires roll, they constantly flex and deform where they touch the road. That movement converts some energy into heat, creating what's known as rolling resistance. EV tires are specifically designed to minimize this resistance. By using optimized tread patterns and advanced rubber compounds, they require less energy to roll, allowing the vehicle to travel farther on a single charge. The improvement may seem small for each mile, but over an entire battery charge, those small savings can translate into several additional miles of driving range. So, EV tires versus regular tires, which is better? The answer depends on the vehicle they're designed for. Regular tires remain excellent for most gasoline-powered cars and can even work on many electric vehicles under the right conditions. But EV-specific tires aren't simply a marketing gimmick. They're engineered to solve real challenges created by heavier batteries, instant electric torque, the need for greater efficiency, and the quieter cabins of modern electric cars. The next time you see an electric vehicle gliding silently down the road, remember that some of the most impressive engineering isn't hidden inside the battery or motor. It's happening where the rubber meets the road. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.